Hi, I'm Steve Castro. I'm Director of Web Development here at EGC Group. So today I'm going to talk about making a great landing page. So the most important thing to remember when making a landing page is to keep it simple. You want your messaging and your design to be clean and concise. You don't want to create any distractions for the user. Make sure that your call to action, or CTA, is the most important thing visually on the website so they know where to click. If you're using a form for lead capture, make sure that the form has as few fields as possible. If you have a very long form, that's a roadblock for someone to fill it out, and you're going to lose leads that way. Also, remember to make your design mobile friendly. The vast majority of users these days are surfing the web on their phone. They're clicking ads on their phone from social. Remember to make a plan for what happens after you get that lead conversion. Make sure you have a thank you page or a thank you message that lets the user know what to expect next. Also, your team should be nurturing that lead going forward in the future. Now that you have their info, you should want to follow up with them with a thank you message, follow-up email, SMS text, or even a direct phone call depending on your industry. It's also important to track users' interactions and behaviors on your landing page. You can do this a number of ways, including analytics, heat mapping, and A/B testing. Sometimes making a small adjustment can result in greater conversion rates.